This is a 1996 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. It's a tiny bike. Everything works on it. The headlight on high beam doesn't work, but everything else works on the bike. We have rode it round the yard. Rides nice. The mileage display is really hard to see, but we think it's 69,000. But the motor sounds sweet.